अगर आप भी अपने वेट लॉस जर्नी पे हो so try this high protein cheesy chicken tacos which packs 22 grams of protein under 260 calories. Start by marinating your chicken with the spices shown on the screen. Then saute some onion capsicum with the marinated chicken and let it cook. Make a quick and easy mango salsa and hung curd sauce with some pepper and ketchup. I used jawar rotis as the base and added some grated cheese, the cooked chicken, mango salsa, lettuce, and the sauce. Now just cook the tacos with some ghee until they turn crispy and it's done. They turned out so tasty that you must try for yourself. Bye.